The new prefix is therefore /19. With /19, these 3 bits are our subnet bits. The original 16 plus these 3, and that's our 19. Now we need to work out our new network IDs. The long way would be to work out the different combinations of these 3 bits. If we were to do that, however, we would observe a particular pattern. We would observe that they would all differ by the value of this bit. The subnet bit with the lowest value we will call the increment value, and we can use this as a shortcut. Whatever the value of that bit is, in this case it's 32, we can calculate our new network IDs by simply incrementing the octet that we took the subnet bits from, in this case the third octet, by 32. So let me say this again. The shortcut that we will use here to work out the new network IDs is we will look at the subnet bits. The subnet bit with the lowest value, we will call that the increment value. We will work out our new network IDs by incrementing the octet with the subnet bits. In this case, that is the third octet, by this increment value. So let me demonstrate this. Our first network ID would be 172.20.0.0/19. Well, you might say, well, that looks like the original, and it is the original, except it's using a prefix of /19. This network ID is the one where these 3 subnet bits are all zeros. The next one would be 172.20. The subnet bits are in the third octet. We will increment this by 32. 32.0/19. This network ID is where this bit is a 1 and the remaining 2 bits in front here are zeros. That is the 001 combination. The next network ID would be 172.20. And we're incrementing the previous one by 32, so this would be 64.0/19. This one is the combination where the subnet bits are 0, 1, 0. And we basically continue with this trend. I'll work out the others here. Let me just scroll down. (172.20.96.0/19), 172.20. So 96 plus 32 is 128.0/19, 172.20. 128 plus 32 is 160.0/19. Now we're supposed to get 8. We currently have 6, so I have 2 more. 172.20. 160 plus 32 is 192.0/19. And let me just make some more room for myself here. The last one is 172.20. 192 plus 32 is 224.0/19. Let me just see if I could center this correctly, and there we go. So these are our 8 network IDs. We took the subnet bits from the third octet. Therefore, we're incrementing the third octet by the value of the subnet bit with the lowest value. In this specific example, it's this bit, and this bit carries the value of 32. Therefore, in this example, we will increment the third octet by 32. You write out the original network ID with the new prefix, and this will be our first subnet. This is our first subnet because in the third octet, these subnet bits are all 0. The next network ID will increment this third octet by 32, and then we just keep doing that until we have 8 subnets. And there we go. Those are our 8 subnets.